Hi, my name is Abid Hussein Kaladi Baloch. I am from Faisalabad. I will teach you that the learning English can seem daunting, but there are many effective ways to make the process easier and more enjoyable. Here are some tips for anyone looking to learn English. Immerse yourself in the language, surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies or TV shows, listen to English music, and speak English with others. Practice regularly, consistency is key. Practice your English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Learn grammar and vocabulary, take time to learn grammar rules and new vocabulary. There are many resources online, including free apps and websites, that can help. Find a language exchange partner, look for someone who is learning your native language and is fluent in English. You can practice speaking with each other, and both benefit from the conversation. Use English in your daily life, make English a part of your daily routine. Try to think and speak in English as much as possible. Take a course, consider enrolling in an English course either online or in person. This can provide you with a structured learning environment and access to a teacher who can answer your questions. Remember, the key to learning English easily is to stay motivated and consistent in your efforts. With practice and patience, you can become fluent in no time.